What exactly are SBA Preferred Lenders and how do they differ from regular lenders? What advantages do they offer when applying for an SBA loan?
Sure. So basically, they've done an application and they've fulfilled requirements, and now they're delegated to underwrite in-house, essentially. They can do everything. They don't need to send the file to SBA at all. All they do is pull an E-Trans number, essentially, but they never have to ship it off. If you're non-delegated, that means you have to send the file to SBA for underwriting. So most of the time, 95 to 99% of the time, we're working with PLPs. On occasion, we work with a non-delegated, oftentimes because they're trying to get licensed and they're being more aggressive than other banks because they need to do a certain amount of volume. And then I would work with a non-delegated. Occasionally we will, but 90%, 95% of the time, we're working with PLPs because they do everything in-house. Typically, each bank is good for like a different food group. Some are really good for business acquisition with no collateral, airball deals we call them. Some are good and best pricing with when they do commercial real estate. One of my friends, his bank, all they'll do is 7A or 504, has to be real estate involved. They won't do any other deals. Then we have generalist banks. We have banks that are good at franchises. We have banks that are good at 504s. And it could be a bank, credit union, or non-bank PLP, preferred lender. So we're working with them the majority of the time because it's faster. They have a little bit different ways to underwrite and get things done. And some of them really specialize. So like I had a franchise broker reach out because he was getting frustrated because his client went to a local bank that said they were a PLP, but they weren't because they were packaging up the deal to send. And it was a franchise startup. They don't understand the industry. So deals like that, we work with banks and lenders that understand franchise startups that do a lot of volume. And we work with the franchise division on those ones that all they do is franchise startups. So that's how you get things done quickly. And that's why we work with PLPs, preferred lenders for SBA program. If you have any loans or questions, in addition, you can go to bookwithbo.com. Happy to answer any of your questions.
Are you trying to escape the W-2 rat race? Or have you always wanted to own your own business? Have you ever thought about owning a franchise? If so, FranUniversity.com can help. Our training program teaches you everything you need to know about franchise ownership, from choosing the right franchise to launching and running your business. We have the resources and specialists to help you from A to Z. You'll gain the skills and knowledge you need to succeed as a franchise owner. The best part, it's free to join. Go to FranUniversity.com.
Hey guys, Bo Eckstein here. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe to this channel. We talk all things financing. I've been in the lending industry for over 20 years, and I'm happy to answer your questions and provide great content.